In the vast arena of a courtroom, constructing an argument is akin to crafting a masterpiece. Every element must align to support and uphold your case. Imagine the court as a theater, and your argument as the narrative that unfolds. Every story demands a strong opening to captivate its audience. In court, this begins with your opening statement, where you set the stage for your case. Emphasize the core issues at stake and succinctly present the facts in your favor. As your case proceeds, evidence becomes your most trusted ally. It is the backbone of your argument. Present your evidence in a logical sequence that constructs a persuasive narrative. Constructing a visual story using exhibits or demonstratives may also offer an advantage, allowing the jury or judge to picture the events as you describe them. Always link back to your primary assertion, ensuring each piece of evidence serves to reinforce your central claim. Now consider the witness testimony as characters in your play, each contributing to the overall narrative. Your role is to guide their stories to support your case. Effective questioning is crucial. You must not only draw out facts, but also elucidate the reliability and credibility of your witnesses. Proper preparation is the key. Beyond presenting your side, you need to anticipate and dismantle the opposition's argument. This is the art of rebuttal. Astute listening during the opponent's presentation is vital. Identify weaknesses or inconsistencies in their narrative and be prepared to address them head-on. Use logical reasoning and supplementary evidence to refute these points, subtly weaving them into the counter of your own tale. In this symphony of words, do not overlook the power of rhetoric. The use of persuasive language and rhetorical devices can fortify your argument and sway the audience. Employ analogies, repetition, and strategic pauses to underline key points. These techniques can make complex information more accessible and your argument more compelling. Finally, every story demands a conclusion. In your closing argument, consolidate the narrative you have so meticulously constructed throughout the proceedings. Restate your strongest points, refute any lingering shadows from the opposition, and appeal to the logic and emotions of your audience. As you draw your case to its conclusion, aim to leave a resonating impact, a final note that lingers with the decision-makers as they contemplate their verdict. In essence, crafting an argument in court is an exercise in storytelling, evidence, and strategy, blended together to create a compelling narrative. Every word, every fact, and every question must coalesce to lead the jury or judge to the realization that your argument holds the truth. With these elements in harmony, you strive not just for victory, but for justice.